All right, I'm going to show you a reverse tabletop hold, and this is for building static strength, which is holding a still position with tension. And this is to strengthen your arms, to strengthen the muscles in your core through the torso, and to strengthen your glutes actually as well. This is going to stretch your shoulders. It's hard to hold for very long, and you have to build up to it for time. So just to set up the shape, feet in front of you about hips width distance apart, hands behind the shoulders about shoulder width. Now, if you want to stretch your wrists, you point the fingertips forward, and if that's too stressful, just rotate your fingers out to the sides, and that's usually much easier to handle. Now, either way, press in your hands, press in your feet, lift your butt up off the floor, and then go ahead, press yourself up high, and you want to hold onto the shape. Now, it may help to warm things up here, especially if your shoulders are tight, and you're just going to need to get used to it by going up and down. But eventually, you want to bring yourself up and just hold for time, and just keep the tension to keep this shape. So you're going to grab the floor with your fingertips, press your chest up toward the ceiling, keep your glutes squeezing, and keep your hips lifted. And you can look forward, you can look up, you can let your head hang back. But hold the tension to maintain the shape. Now, to engage it further, you'd press into the hands and feet, try to drag them toward each other, and you're going to feel more tension along the back line of your body, especially through your butt, along your spine, the muscles in the backs of your legs to keep yourself up. And you want to get used to holding on to this for time. And it takes a little bit to build that up. It does start to open your shoulders quite a bit in a position that most people don't take. And especially if you spend a lot of time at a desk, you're going to feel a very real stretch in the shoulders coming into that. But anyway, I hope that helps. It'll make you much more mobile to the shoulders and much more strong throughout your body.